barely tipped it and it went over. I thought for sure. I have been in Costa Rica for 4 months now. I'm actually on my last week here with USAC. And so today I just wanted to do a day in the life and show what a day in the life of a USAC student is here in Puntarenas in Costa Rica. If you're thinking of doing this location, go for it. It's so nice. The beach. I would definitely recommend it. But if you have any questions, like follow-up questions about the program itself or like Costa Rica overall, just write a comment down below. So right now it is 7:43 and I have class at 8, so I have about 15 minutes to get ready. I already took a shower. So normally I get up around 7 o'clock here. The sun comes out at 5:30, and as you can see from these giant windows, I get a lot of sun in my room. So around 5:30 I'll start to get up, but I'll chill in bed until at least 6:30 to around 7. So I'm just about ready to leave. It is 7:50 now. I have my bike so I can bike to school, so it'll be super quick. It's only like 5 blocks away. So normally in the morning I'll either have breakfast, but today I'm not gonna have any breakfast. But once I get to school, I'll have like maybe a coffee, which we'll see there.
Before she broke a little heart upon the floor. When I try to love, they disappear. Only time can heal, but you isn't here. And I'm gonna get to love you.
Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so we're on break right now from class, so we're going down to the beach, of course, because it's right outside the school. So it's super nice. Look at these glasses, they're ugly. We're currently on our last recreo of the day. Oh, it's 10:11. We get out of class at 11. We start class at 8 to 11, 3 hours. It's a long time, but after that you're done for the day. So yeah, we're almost done. And then we got a free day, and we'll see what we have dance today, which is K-Tree's day. Last dance class. But yeah. There's just tea. But normally we come sit out here in the hammocks and shit like that during this break. So that's that and that. There's yoga mats, which we used to do yoga, but now we're all lazy.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Alex. I'm the new Alex.
The new updated Alex.
The original Alex. To be clear, Alexander. I'm just Alex. I get the name.
Well, we're done with class now, so this is what we're doing right now because I don't want to go home. It's too hot and there's AC in here. So take advantage of the AC. What is up, guys? I'm back in my room, and as I have right here, a giant plate of mantequilla pasta. So this is just butter pasta with mozzarella on top, and this is really good. So this is my lunch, and I have a watermelon fresca over there, and so I'm just about to eat lunch in my room and chill and watch YouTube because YouTube is life. So yeah, this is like what I do normally right after class. Once I'm actually home for lunch, I'll just sit, watch YouTube, and eat my lunch until I hang out with my friends later, which we might go swimming later. So definitely let me turn that fan on because it gets hot in here. Okay, we are headed to dance class now. Everyone say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Amaya. Hola.
You'll come visit me.
Oh my god, my friend. Lucas.
I'm gonna see what happens.
Chica, say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Oh my god, Chipotle.
And in and out. I get off the plane. Chipotle.
Time to get to dance class. Say hi, Jamie. Savannah. My hair is a mess, but dance class is over. And every Monday after dance class, we're supposed to come out and watch the sunset. This does not happen 24/7. But here's the sunset for today. We got the cruise ship back there. Actually, let me just flip the camera.
Be farther away, so probably the
My phone is not the best to catch it, but it gets the dog. Like super. This is us chilling in the hammocks. Jay chilling. I don't even know if the camera is getting anybody. It's almost. Our flight is on Friday the 13th on a full moon. So, and her flight is at 4:20. So
We're getting good vibes, not bad.
The only thing really left for today is probably go and eat dinner. So we'll see that later. We might go ride our bikes, but I'm kind of lazy right now.
Thinking of you. It's great.
What is up, guys? I'm trash at updating. I took a shower and I already ate dinner. So, it's 7:30 now. I think I'm supposed to go hang out with friends later. We shall see what that ends up being. Yeah, we're supposed to go hang out at the beach with like my old friend Miguel that I haven't seen in forever. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we ended up staying at the beach too long, and it's about like it's 11 o'clock actually, exactly. But I'm going home right now, so that's the end of this vlog. Thank y'all for joining a day in my life. I'm going to bed. It's late. It's 11:10 now. I need to go to bed. I tried. Make a long story short, I need to go. The cat got out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do what you want with your life. I gotta go to bed. It's late. I got class in the morning at 8 o'clock again. So, ciao. This is why we don't stay up with Puntarenas only 9 o'clock. I gotta go because
But you isn't here.